this episode, I'll guide through the final assembly of the facade as well as its components like lighting conductor and rain pipe. In the end, I'll also show you how I reassembled the original sun shading system to give the facade back its original glory. So without hesitation, let's jump right back into it. Now for the assembly of the rain gutter. 2 holes had to be drilled into the wall in order to anchor the gutter sleeves. Voila! Okay, let's concentrate on the sun shading assembly now, shall we? We've got a C-shaped rail and brackets. We had to take the old assembly apart in order to replace the bolts and treat the L and C brackets with zinc spray in order to prolong their lifetime. Now this one was a bit out of shape, so let's go ahead and straighten him. Now this and it's straight as never before. In order to prepare the brackets for spraying, I used alcohol wipes to get them clean. Now let's start with the zinc spray to prolong their lifetime. Do not forget to wear gloves and respirator. Okay, so on the left there is a cross section of the original design of the hanging anchor. Now in the new design we're gonna turn the L bracket downward so it's not gonna be seen from the front, and we're also gonna rotate 180 degrees the C bracket so that the horizontal screw is gonna be in the back. It was a bit of a challenge to assemble it this way, however the final design is quite worth it, I would say. Ceramic lubricant was added to ensure smoother sliding. A ladder or 2 are gonna be needed to anchor the system. A bit of thinking now, and voila, now the system is fully functioning. Well, and this is the result. To wrap the project up, the facade got more insulation thickness, improving its U value. Thermal bridges in the window sills, reveals, head and lintels were eliminated, resulting in better psi values. New metaling was installed on window sills and a splashing water protection, all in matching anthracite colors. The facade got new boards of Siberian light treated with 2 layers of Osmo oil, making the looks better. And last but not least, after a few months of testing, insects no longer multiply in the facade nor get to the interior. This is a huge relief. Alright, that's about it for the facade, and I have one thing to mention. If you're interested in any of the technical details, that means thermal calculation, that means thermal bridge modeling, or anything civil engineering / building engineering physics related, let me know and I could make detailed content on this topic. So, till next time, have a good day.